Hi everyone, welcome back to Code with Joy. In today's video, we're going to understand what is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is the most important part of a computer. In simple words, CPU is the brain of the computer. Just like your brain controls your body, CPU controls the computer, processes instructions, it performs calculations, and it controls other parts of the system. Let's understand with a simple example. You open YouTube. You tap on a video. The CPU processes your action. It loads the video and plays it on your screen. All of this happens in just milliseconds. Without CPU, nothing works. No apps, no games, no system. So remember this. Computer is the body. CPU is the brain. If you are a student learning technology, subscribe for simple explanations. In the next video,